beauties, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna make an amazing hairstyle using only a donut. You can use instead of this donut a scrunchie that pretty much matches your hair color, but I think it's easier to use a donut bun. First of all, you have to cut basically the needle that is sewing the donut bun, and then you want to stretch it and use the amount that you like and need for your hair. If your hair is really thin, then you need a thicker donut. If your hair is on the thicker side, make sure to use half of it. I'll use, I think, all of it because this is basically half of my previous donut bun. So I'm wrapping it up again. So we will use it, and so without rambling, let's get started right into our hair tutorial.
So first we're gonna use our hair elastic. We'll select our top section like I'm showing and we'll tie it using this elastic. Now bring this ponytail up like I'm showing and make another ponytail right below first one, but making sure taking a small piece in the center of your head. Using another clear elastic, you want to tie it, then you want to use your donut or your scrunchie and pin it in place using a bobby pin horizontally. This way it will stay secure. Now you want to grab one section from one side of our ponytail, bring it over the ponytail and over one side of our donut, and bring it through the center of the donut inside and pin it underneath under the donut bun. Now you want to repeat this step with the second section from another side as well. You grab it, making sure it's smooth and nice. You want to bring it over the ponytails and under the donut bun through the center of the donut and pin it underneath. And one more time, you want to select two sections from the sides of our donut bun, and then you want to bring it through the center and pin it underneath as we did before. We want to repeat these steps until reaching our ear level. So now we have two sections from both sides, then dividing all our hair from underneath into two sections, we want to simply tuck it into the center of our donut like I'm showing, like that. Loosen, then loosen even your first elastic to hide it under the sections. Use a bobby pin if needed to hide it well and secure it, of course, too, and use some hairspray to fix it well in place. Then you want to loosen again until you have desired look, and then grabbing your section left, I'll wrap it, creating a row braid. You can make here a 3-strand braid, or if your hair is shorter, you can just simply wrap it around your fingers and tuck it under the bun and pin it well in place. Loosen well your last sections to make your bun beautiful looking. With some hairspray if needed, and you're done.
Hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial, and if you did like this hairstyle, don't forget about thumbs up, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel if you are new, and also don't forget about the bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, and stay updated. But that's it for today, and you really know that I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!